Welcome back. Technology always evolving, so it's important to get things like your laptop checked regularly for malware.
Yeah, Dan Young from PC Laptops joins us now. I think probably the first time since the pandemic.
Yes,
Welcome
thank you.
Back in.
Thank you.
Good to see you in person. Tell us about this. I mean, technology is always evolving. We have to always be on guard, right?
Yeah, well, here's the thing. Half of our customers that we see are still running like Windows 7, Windows 95, XP, and Microsoft has pretty much kiboshed all security updates. So now you got all these people out there wanting to infect your computer to steal your logins to your bank account, your stocks, your Bitcoins, and it's rampant.
So what's the problem is then if the updates are no longer coming, they could just get smarter, right?
Well, your wall of security is gone.
It's gone.
So they just come right in, put a thing called the keylogger, and anything you type, they get your passwords, and they watch you through the little camera.
I kid you not, Dan, I got an email yesterday from somebody claiming they just did that to my laptop. And I sent it to our IT department and said, is this real? And they're like, no.
And it wasn't real.
Delete it.
Yeah, a lot of them are fake, but they can.
But they can.
Right, that's how they do it.
Yeah, if you see your light pop on red randomly, and then
somebody's watching?
Then they're watching you.
Well, and kind of like the vandals with cars that look for the unlocked vehicles, they'll look for the low-hanging fruit, right? The easiest things to get into, the easiest systems that let those lapse.
So what do we need to do? What's the very first thing to protect our computers?
Okay, it doesn't matter what brand of PC that people have. They can bring it to PC Laptops, and we will scan it for viruses, first of all, and to make sure your stuff is safe. And then also, if you're running an old version of Windows, we'll show you how to upgrade it if you want to. Or if your computer is like really ancient, we can recycle it, donate it, and give you a credit towards something of newer technology, more security.
And that initial scan, is that a free scan that you guys do?
Free, any brand of PC, I don't care where you bought it, we'll take care of you.
You'll take care of it. All right, well, you got to be careful out there. They're smart. These guys are tricky, these thieves.
Yeah, they are. They're going to come after us. Hey, we want to show you this, Dan, too, as with our viewers at home.
Yeah.
Hot weather. You got to end with something like this. Utah's wildlife. Look at this.
Oh.
That's a moose, folks. Lexi Loffer caught this adorable moment in Park City.
You can see Mama Moose and then the baby running through the sprinklers. Dan does that all the time, right?
Oh, yeah. Right. Sugar House Park.
Sugar House Park. There you go. You'll catch Dan, the laptop man, in the sprinklers. But
Hey,
you know,
if you run
that's
through
cute.
with your PC, then that would be a big problem. You got to go to PC Laptops as well.
You'll definitely need to see those folks. All right, that'll do it for us here today.